Hey fam, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Net, a self-taught baker, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make these delicious Christmas trifle dessert cups. So please, on your way in, if you could hit that like, also consider subscribing and joining the family. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm going to make sure to leave all the ingredients listed down below, and we will be following the directions on the back of the box cake mix. But instead of using water, we will be using 1 cup of milk instead. Now you're going to mix well and add in more food coloring for desired color. Next, we'll be doing the same thing with our red velvet cake, cutting them into some nice sized cubes. Now we're just going to make a very simple vanilla frosting, and it's very easy to make. All you would need is some unsalted butter, which I'm using 1 stick, and now we're going to begin by whipping our butter until it get nice and airy, and you will know it'll get nice and airy when it become lighter in color. So give it about 10 minutes of mixing and it should get to the right consistency. So now once your butter become nice and airy, we're going to be starting with our powdered sugar by adding 1 cup at a time and mixing well. Now I'll be adding some heavy whipping cream, and this is just going to make it lighter in texture. Next, I'm going to be adding some vanilla extract, which I'm using 1 tablespoon. And we're just going to continue to get us a whisk till it get nice and fluffy. And now for the top, we're going to just make some crumbs using both colors, and we're just going to sprinkle some on the top. And I'm going to do another one just so you guys can kind of get an idea how to do it. It's very easy. And just like that, we made ourselves some delicious Christmas truffle dessert cups. And this is perfect for any Christmas holiday event. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. I appreciate all the comments and likes and everybody that showed up for the live premiere. Thank you guys so much. And check out my watch next for more content. Peace.